Hello mathematicians and welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about using letters to represent numbers. This is what we are going to explore together. What are variables in math, using letters in equations to represent numbers, how to solve simple algebraic expressions, and real-life applications of algebra, and then we'll have practice questions at the end. A variable is a symbol, often a letter, that represents an unknown value in math. For example, in the expression x plus 3, x is the variable that can change based on the problem. For instance, if x plus 3 is equal to 5, then what number does x represent? We know that we need to add 2 to the number 3 to get 5, which means x represents the number 2. Subtract 6 from n could be written as n take away 6. Now obviously we can't subtract the number from a letter, which means n has to represent a number which you might be asked to find. Multiply d by 4 could be written as d times 4 or 4d. If c plus a is equal to 10, c and a represent two different numbers. One letter can only represent one number at a time. In the same equation, if you have two different letters, then both of them represent different numbers. So in this case, C and A cannot be 5. We cannot have 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 because if they're both different letters, then they both represent a different number. If they represented the same number, then for instance, if C represented 5, then it would have been C plus C is equal to 10. So this means that these two will be a different combination, maybe 9 plus 1 or 8 plus 2 or any other combination that can add up to 10. Pause the video and answer the following practice questions in your notebook. Hand in those questions to your teacher to mark. What problems do you want to solve next? If you have any questions, feel free to ask your teacher. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.